Well guys, I'm in the conservatory part. This house was going to be demolished to make a entrance onto a housing estate which was going to be built just over there, but that never went ahead. They've still got all the fencing up, but for some reason it never materialised on building down that end, and this house has just remained here since. So I'm going to head in. I have covered this before, quite a while ago, but as you can see, the tiles on the roof have all been stripped off for some reason, and I thought I'd come back and see how nature has sort of taken hold of this house, really, because it's all the water coming in, and as you can see, nature has really started to take a hold of this place once again. And there's plants going absolutely everywhere. The state of that wall. That's absolutely insane. Everywhere is absolutely soaked. Oh, sorry, the camera went a bit funny then. It's a bit slippery on this floor. Look at all that on the wall. The walls are green. When I came here quite a few months ago, somebody had stolen the boiler from the kitchen, and it was absolutely pouring with water, and I think it's still coming out here. Boiler was up there. State of this kitchen. Be careful. It's so flooded in here. Don't want to get wet socks. No, it's not much of a house really, it's a little bungalow with no tiles on the roof, but if you like nature, taking a hold of abandoned places, this is a place to come to. It's absolutely beautiful, it's fascinating. That wood with all the mushrooms growing on it. Wow. I don't think it was this bad. When I first came here, I don't think the walls were like this at all. There's so much algae on the walls. It's unbelievable. I'm glad I've come back. Sounds like Jurassic Park out there. I don't know if you can pick that up. Sounds like there's some building work going on somewhere. It's very loud. imagine that would have been like a little girl's room or something. Head on around here. This bathroom's not much better. No idea why there's a spade in the bath. That must be the cleanest part of this house, the shower itself. I would not like to have a bath in that. That's absolutely disgusting. Everywhere is green. I really do not know how long this place is going to be standing for. It's completely rotten. And this is the type of place I like. No graffiti. Yeah, the window's been smashed, but other than that, it's not being trashed as such. It's just how nature's sort of demolished everything. Yeah, the tiles might have been taken off. They're all placed outside. I don't know why it's all been taken off, whether that was part of the start of the demolition of this place, whether they sort of took the tiles off and then never finished. I have no idea, but because the tiles are all gone, the roof's then caved in and left all this mess. Look at that. It's just grass and all sorts growing in here. That's absolutely insane. That covers this house, so it's not very big. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and seeing how nature has taken a hold of this little bungalow with no roof. But I'll upload the photos onto my Facebook page. That's Urban Rots. So have a look for that. I'll put the description. I'll put the link for my Facebook page in the description below. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. I've got so much coming up. I've got loads of previous videos as well. Have a look through those, see if there's anything that takes your fancy on watching. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you again on another explore.